Hey guys, welcome to Bartlow's Barbecue, and today we are cold smoking. It's going to be a lot of fun, and we're going to do it for under $20. It doesn't matter what type of smoker you have. It's super easy, and today we're smoking 3 different items. We're going to be smoking some cheese, some honey, and some almonds. It's going to be tasty, so let's get into it. Alright guys, your first step is to get your pellet tube. This is from a Maze company. There's a small size, which this is what that is, and there's a large size. This will smoke for 2 hours, and you have this Pitmaster's blend that has, let's see here, cherry, hickory, and maple. It's going to have a nice sweet flavor to it. And we'll take this and we're going to place it right on the charcoal basket standing up. I'm going to bring you in and show you what the setup looks like and how we light it, and then we'll put the grill grates on and put on the food. Alright guys, your first step is to get your pellet tube. This is from a Maze company. There's a small size, which this is what that is, and there's a large size. This will smoke for 2 hours, and you have this Pitmaster's blend that has, let's see here, cherry, hickory, and maple. It's going to have a nice sweet flavor to it. And we'll take this and we're going to place it right on the charcoal basket standing up. I'm going to bring you in and show you what the setup looks like and how we light it, and then we'll put the grill grates on and put on the food. Alright guys, you're going to notice I got the X-ring in with the pellet tube in the up position. We're going to take the J.J. George torch and light this up until it gets to a burning place. Alright guys, now we're going to set the heat deflectors on now that we got this lit and the smoke is starting to produce. And then we're going to shut it like this because it's going to have plenty of airflow since it's on this X-ring. And then we're just literally going to put our grates on like so. And then we're going to open up our top vent and our bottom vent, and then we will set and prepare our food on top of the grate. All right, my friends, we are going to season the peanuts first, or the almonds, and put some butter down. Oh man, that is smelling awesome. Using some barbecue sweet love is tasty stuff if you haven't had it. And then we are just seasoning these, get them all stirred up, and we are going to be ready to put these on the grill. I want to show you how cold it is. It is a cold day here in Oklahoma, but I've got this digital thermometer. It's 55 degrees. It is around 57 here to 67. And we're going to go ahead and put peanuts here on the back, the honey, which is just pure, pure honey, and then we're going to go ahead and put the block of cheese all right here. Make sure everybody has a home, but not touching. And I think that right, we've got a good full load here that I'm really happy about. So again, under, we're like 64 degrees, 55, so all over the place, but 50 to 65 degrees, we are good. That smoke's rolling in. Again, top vent's open, low bottom vent is open. We're gonna let this smoke for 2 hours, and then I'll come back and show you the next steps. Alright guys, we have finished cold smoking everything, and now we're going to remove the cheese and vacuum seal it, and we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 1 week to 2 weeks. Let's see how I feel, but the longer that you go, the more that smoke penetrates that cheese, and it tastes really good. So I'm going to bring you in, we're going to vacuum seal that and then remove everything and talk a little bit about the process and go from there. Alright guys, we have vacuum sealed this cheese, cold cheese, for 7 days, and I've already done a little taste test, but I can tell you once I opened up this bag after we vacuum sealed, the first thing I could do is just smell that smoke aroma, and it's just off the chart. It smells so good. It's such a fun thing to do. If you have not done this, you need to give cold cheese smoking a try. Let's do it right here. Okay. So the advantage of letting this refrigerate, vacuum seal, is the longer you go, the more that smoke kind of penetrates the cheese, and it is, I mean, you can taste that smoky flavor. Now I do think it might be an acquired taste for some, but I love cheese, and cold smoking is amazing. You need to try it. So I'm gonna take you to our next part as we do a final review. As we have finished cold smoking, and it is done. It's so simple. We have vacuum sealed the cheese. We've covered the honey in a container. Gonna let that sit out for 24 hours in my kitchen, and then you can eat it immediately. Put it in your pantry, ready to go. Put it in a jar. Also, I have put foil over the almonds, and I've already tasted one or two of those, and they are amazing, especially with that sweet barbecue rub. It is delicious. Guys, this is so easy to cold smoke. I think you could do it. This is a great tradition you can even do and give away during the holidays. So I encourage you to check that out. And if you like videos like this, like it, subscribe, turn on the notification buttons. We'd love for you to check this out. From my backyard to yours, remember, less hate, more love, good barbecue.